The Makerspace Lab at Sunset Vista School is a place where students explore, create, and learn every day. Inside the lab, students are using technology, science, engineering, art, and math to bring their ideas to life. Virtual reality headsets transport them to the surface of the moon, ancient civilizations, even underwater with sharks. Robotics, coding, and hands-on projects challenge them to think critically, solve problems, and imagine new possibilities. What makes this lab truly special is the students themselves. They lead demonstrations, share what they've learned, and inspire each other as to explore, experiment, and innovate. Every project and every discovery adds to a space that's alive with curiosity and creativity. We're proud of the opportunities this lab provides, and we want to say a big thank you to Verizon and Arizona State University for making it possible. Their support brings this vision to life and gives our students the tools to explore, dream, and grow. At Sunset Vista, the Makerspace Lab is a hub of exploration where students are building bright futures now.